finally doing a quick review on my keyboard change from my black ergonomic keyboard to the ACR Pro Alice Plus. It's a mechanical keyboard, and when we got this, we had to buy all the switches and the keys, and this is what we chose. It's a pink switch with white pudding keycaps. So here, just putting my keys and just punching them in. You have to do them one by one, and you have to choose the orientation of your keys. There's so many choices. Look at that sound. Click, click. Time to turn them on. See the light show. Ta-da! I'm in love with this. I got the opaque version. It's the lights shining through all the way, and you can change the keycaps to any kind, any color, any style. There's so many choices out there, different brands, different kinds, different resin types. I'm in love with it.